I'll bet you have never heard of Millingport Road in Stanley County. About an hour outside of Charlotte. I came today to a realtor event. Look at that country road, baby. It goes the other direction too. True Homes had an event today. In fact, it's just kind of winding down. They've got about 16 homes that are very affordable. 3-bedroom mostly, 2.5 bath on large lots. And so they're agents that are shooting. Look at the space between the houses. And this one, the one you just saw, was right at about 400K, and then this one's just not far above 400K. So True's having an event. They're on your lot division, and then one of my favorite musicians is Joe McCourt, and he's also a real estate agent. He's here. You got someone left to play. So again, guys, if you're looking for an affordable house, you need to take a peek at this one from True Homes. Beautiful. We found True to be consistently value driven. In other words, how much house you get for the money is pretty astounding. And this is like living out in the country, and yet you have a brand new construction home built by one of the area's top, really, builders. We appreciate it. They got a lot of heart too. Look at this. So what you want to do is you want to give me a call and say, hey, Roger Holloway, I'd like to know more about that house that's for 400K and the one that's for, I think this is about 430. Have one of my team members bring you out here. Let's head upstairs. Now, where's my real estate dog when I need him? He's the master these days of the stairs. And if you're a subscriber to my channel, you know that he also loves to go crazy on the carpet. So his name is Jude, the Realty Dude. I couldn't bring him today. Now see, they've got this really staged as an office. It's a loft, it's beautiful, it's bright, it's cheery. And again, guys, I know the question you're getting ready to ask me. Is there an HOA? There is an HOA, but it's extremely nominal in terms of price. But to keep the area nice, and you're near the small town, it's really kind of like a drive-through, Millingport. But I drove through Stanley and Locust on the way here. Stanhope. Wow. Affordable, guys. And their preferred lender from Movement Mortgage was here today too. And he's got a special offer. If you got kids and grandkids that want to learn about money. And let me play that at the end. Now see, I love this because you walk into it and it's kind of a framed retreat. And look how big this is. You've got room for a sitting area. So that is fantastic. Very nice primary suite. So guys, what you want to do is you want to give me a call at 704-345-3400. Tell me more about the True Homes enclave out in Millingport. They're doing more and more of these where they find enough land for a small subdivision and the on your lot guys do it. So I'd love to help you with this. 704-345-3400, and I'll see you in the next video.